Hello, Comp 1 students. This is a short screencast on Reader Response 4. In this case, we are continuing our analysis of the expository text structures. There are multiple exemplars of expository writing in the second unit of your textbook. That's in pages 281 to 2630. It's quite the page range. Your next task is to use the short descriptions on those early pages in the table of contents to find a couple of essays that engage your interests. So you're looking for essays that you can use, as always, as models for your own expository writing. I'd like you to find your own. However, I do have a few recommendations of strong examples that I have found effective for me. Under Compare Contrast, you have these three authors: Cause and Effect, these three possibilities, and Problem Solution, these three possibilities. Readings are, of course, just possibilities. Look through those unit selections, read at least three. Notice that although they are labeled as being one expository structure, they'll actually use several expository structures within their essay. So once you've chosen a couple and read through them, pick one and then post your responses to these questions online. First question: what is the author's point or purpose of the essay? Second question: what evidence does he or she use to support her points? We want you to notice how the authors integrate evidence into their essays. Third question: how does the author's analysis support the points? So notice it's not just bringing in evidence, but we also have to analyze that evidence and show how it connects with the theme or ideas that we're developing. And finally, connect this essay with your own experience or thinking. So you might think of this in terms of, this reminds me of blank because blank. The reason that we do this is because eventually we are going to be getting into the research process, and when we do research, then it's necessary for us to start connecting with that research. So this is just a way of helping you get into that thought of, okay, so how does this connect with my own thinking? So therefore, how can I integrate this evidence into my essay? As always, let me know if you have any questions.